You look at your patch of earth, full of hope, only to see dry, cracked soil and struggling plants. You water, you weed, you try everything, but nothing thrives. It's easy to feel like giving up, but your soil isn't broken, it's just hungry and tired. This ground has given all it can, now it needs to be revived. Healthy soil is alive, teeming with worms and microbes, but yours is silent and still. You're not alone. Many gardens, especially in new builds or overworked plots, suffer the same fate. The earth's pantry is empty, its structure lost, and its life gone. But don't despair. The secret to lush gardens isn't in a bottle or bag, it's in restoring the soil itself. We're going to bring your soil back to life naturally. Think of your soil as a friend who needs a nourishing meal. We'll feed it, rebuild its structure, and invite life back in. Soon, you'll see the transformation from barren ground to thriving garden. Let's get started on the journey to healthy living soil. Your garden's best days are ahead. We're going to feed your soil. When plants struggle, it's tempting to reach for fertilizer. It gives a quick boost, but it's only a temporary fix. The real issue is lifeless soil. Fertilizer can't solve that. Healthy soil is a living community of microbes, fungi, and worms. Chemical fertilizers feed plants, but not the soil life. Over time, this shortcut leaves soil even weaker. You end up treating symptoms, not the cause. To grow strong plants, you need to feed the soil, not just the plants. Rich, living soil creates a self-sustaining garden. It's a patient approach, but the results are lasting. Focus on building soil life and your plants will thrive. Let's change how we think about gardening. Let's feed the soil. So how do we revive dead soil? With a soil lasagna. This method layers organic materials, cardboard, leaves, kitchen scraps, right on top of your soil. It mimics nature's way, like a forest floor building rich earth over time. Alternate green, nitrogen-rich and brown carbon-rich layers. Greens are things like grass clippings and veggie scraps. Browns are leaves, cardboard, and twigs. This balance feeds microbes and worms who break it all down. Their work transforms waste into dark, crumbly, fertile soil. You're not just adding nutrients, you're building an ecosystem. The result? A self-sustaining, living soil that supports healthy plants. No special tools or expensive products needed, just everyday materials. It's simple, effective, and works with nature. Start your soil lasagna, and let the transformation begin. Soon, your garden will be thriving from the ground up. This is the start of real, lasting change. Building your soil lasagna is easy and requires no digging. Start by cutting down any tough weeds, no need to dig them out. Water the area if it's dry to help decomposition begin. Lay down cardboard or thick newspaper overlapping edges to block light and smother weeds. Remove any plastic or staples first. Next, add a layer of green material, grass clippings, kitchen scraps, or fresh manure. Then add a thicker brown layer, leaves, straw, or shredded paper. Lightly water each layer as you go. Alternate green and brown layers, until your pile is at least a foot high. Always finish with a brown layer on top to retain moisture and keep things tidy. Give the whole pile a thorough watering so it's damp, not soaked. That's it, your work is done. You've created a feast for soil life. Now let nature do the rest. Your garden's transformation has begun. Once your soil lasagna is built, step back and let nature work. Microbes and fungi wake up first, breaking down the layers and generating gentle heat. Earthworms soon follow, tunneling through the pile, mixing and aerating the soil. Their castings enrich the soil, turning waste into plant superfood. Over months, the layers merge into dark, rich, crumbly earth. You can plant sooner by topping with compost. Every scrap you add is recycled into new life. You're not just covering bad soil, you're creating fertile, living topsoil. Nature's underground army is transforming your garden. The soil lasagna method works for any garden, big or small, ground or container. It's simple, adaptable, and uses materials you already have. After a season or two, you'll notice softer, darker soil full of worms and moisture. Your plants will be stronger, more productive, and resilient to drought. Flowers will bloom brighter, and vegetables will thrive. All thanks to the living soil you've built. No more quick fixes needed. Roots grow deep and strong in this healthy earth. You've created a resilient, self-sustaining garden. Don't see poor soil as a problem, see it as an opportunity. Start collecting materials and build your soil lasagna today. Share this secret with friends and neighbors. The real key to a great garden is feeding the soil, not just the plants. By nurturing life below, you create a healthier garden, and a healthier world.